Hey there, today at Bannock Auto Sales we have an E-450 Cube Van. Very nice vehicle, paint condition's good, it's a 2023. There's the E-450 Super Duty, got really nice front tires, lots of meat on them. Apparently it's 11 feet high. Bottoms of the doors and the rockers look great, seats are in nice shape. Got your stereo up there. Air, cruise, windows, locks. 823, nice kilometers on it. Auto lights. On the back, of course, is gas. Good thing right now with the diesel being the way it is. Everything's in good shape here. There's no chunks out of it. Box is in nice shape. Lots of life left in this. Does have a pull-out ramp. It's nice and straight as well. Again, everything's in good shape on this. Again, bottom of the door, rocker looks good. Wiring there for different things. And the original book. There's the 11-foot clearance. You know how high it is. So, if you're looking for a really nice cargo van, that might be for you. You can always give us a call. The number is 519-507-1471. And this is known for Bannock Auto Sales. Have yourselves a great day.